Hey Mel, you draw a circle now. Very good. Wow. Okay, one more circle. Very good. One more here. One more circle. Very good. Here. One more here. Very. It's a ball. Yes. Very good. Wow. Ball. Galing. Okay, the other side. Okay. Some more balls. Circle. Wow, ball. Don't do that, Amel. Just draw a circle. Very good. Circle. One more. One more circle here. Circle, sweetie. Circle. Okay, circle. Say cheese.